No pictures, please. Keep walking, old man. Keep walking. In this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about this 2015 Corvette Z51 Stingray. You're not only going to learn everything you need to know about this car, but we're also going to take it to the Strip in Mexico, and we're going to see what this thing can do against the Dodge Challenger RT. I'm Jeff from Modern Muscle 213, and today you're going to learn everything you need to know about this 2015 Corvette Z51 Stingray.
Engine-wise, I haven't done anything. It's completely stock, but body-wise, I've added the Z06 grill, the front splitter, and then I added the winglets in the back.
Okay.
Downforce.
Exhaust stock?
Exhaust stock.
Stingray.
Yeah.
This is quick. You want to honk? Yeah. You honk. What? 35? Oh, for what? Okay, yeah. Well, good to see you again. Jesus, it's fast. Yeah. doesn't matter. Yeah, it's like fuck it.
You're like, God.
Yeah, up to you. I mean, I'm down for a roll. We did a ton of digs. Roll? Hurts, yeah. What'd you think?
It was a good race.
Yeah.
Very fun race. Man. I always love racing like this.
Yeah. Dude, this thing's great. I mean, shit. And for being the Stingray. Like I said, I think it did better than the Z06 I raced. Sorry, Mike. I know I like you, man, but hey, this thing, for some reason, I think this thing was a little faster. So yeah. Hey man, I mean,
rematch soon, right?
Yeah, yeah. When I like get a Scat Pack maybe or something. Like, have you raced a Scat Pack before?
Yeah.
How did it do?
The same.
Really? You got away. Yep. Hey, so like, what win?
What's up?
Like, what car have you not beaten in this?
I think there was a time I raced a Lamborghini on the freeway.
Okay.
And it on the top end it got me. Other than that, I don't think unless they're somehow modified, I don't think I've lost to any cars.
Wow. Undefeated. Hey. Yeah, and for the money too. It eats a lot of stuff. It eats a lot of stuff for the money.
It's definitely a bargain for what you're paying.
Yeah.
For this, it's definitely a bargain. People definitely it attracts a lot of attention.
Mm-hmm.
And especially when they see two muscle cars like this.
Yeah.
With a sports car and a muscle car.
Yeah.
Definitely a lot of attention.
Yeah. I mean, hey, like I just started kind of looking into these things like maybe like a couple months ago. Didn't realize how fast they were. I just didn't realize it. Like, like they're really fast. Like,
you're like,
yeah.
You're like, okay, so this is how I ended up with the Z06. So
yeah.
This guy, we should be pretty.
Yeah. It's like no. I think this was better. What I don't know. Maybe it's his driving skills. He was a manual too.
Oh, okay.
But I was away for a while before he got me.
You were gone.
I was gone, and then he got me. Like on top end. Yeah, it got me. But you know, so maybe it's gearbox, and it doesn't look like it doesn't back up as much when it shifts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like I noticed that yours kind of like doesn't go anywhere.
Right.
So it doesn't like go back. Like I've seen people when they shift, like
they go back. Yeah.
They go back. Like you're like, and like it was a little bit. So I think the gearbox is good too. I heard the gearbox for this is better than the automatic. Is that true?
Well, they say that the 8-speed automatic.
It's crap. They say it's really bad in this car, right? Yeah, and they say the manual's like, if you're actually gonna get it, get the manual rather than the automatic.
That's why I got it.
Yeah.
People were like, no, don't get a Corvette and not an automatic. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try a manual and then see how I like that.
Yeah.
But so far, I loved it.
It's good. Very good. All right. You want anything you want to plug?
What's that?
Plug your Instagram, anything you want to plug?
Yeah, if you want to see more photos about this car, go ahead and follow me on Instagram.
Okay.
OneBadVet_Z51.
Okay. OneBadVet_Z51. And of course, you guys know all my information. Want to learn more about this car? Follow him there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.